Welcome to HouseLux Estate, the hub of practical and sustainable business ideas. Today, we're journeying into the realm of entrepreneurship, specifically focusing on developing countries. We're going to explore 10 amazing businesses that you can start for cheap in these regions. Why developing countries, you might ask? Well, they are brimming with untapped potential and opportunities that are often overlooked. Plus, starting a business in such areas not only promises high returns, but also contributes to local economic growth and job creation. We'll be covering a range of sectors from the food industry to online services, from agriculture to fashion, and even eco-friendly ventures. Each idea we'll discuss is low-cost, sustainable, and has been proven successful in various developing regions. So, if you're looking for a business idea that's both profitable and impactful, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we delve into these lucrative low-cost business ideas. First on our list is the food truck business. This venture is a delightful blend of mobility and gastronomy that can yield substantial profits in a developing country. With a low startup cost, it's an attractive option as you can start small and scale up as your business grows. Whether you're offering local delicacies or a fusion of international cuisine, the possibilities are as vast as your creativity. However, every business comes with its challenges. For a food truck business, you'll have to navigate health regulations and ensure that your mobile kitchen meets all the necessary standards. There's also the matter of competition. With the rising popularity of food trucks, you'll need a unique selling proposition to stand out from the crowd. But don't let these hurdles discourage you. With the right strategy, which includes a fantastic menu, excellent service, and strategic location choices, a food truck business can be a profitable venture. Despite the challenges, a food truck business can be a profitable venture with the right strategy. Next up, we have online tutoring. In the era of digitalization, this is undoubtedly a business field that's gaining momentum. The advantages of starting an online tutoring business are manifold. Firstly, the startup cost is remarkably low. All you need is a stable internet connection, a laptop, and a knack for teaching. Secondly, the demand for online learning is at an all-time high, with people from all walks of life seeking to expand their knowledge horizon from the comfort of their homes. However, every silver lining has a cloud. The challenges of online tutoring are not to be ignored. Time zone differences can sometimes make scheduling sessions a tricky affair. Language barriers might also pose a hurdle in effectively communicating your knowledge. But remember, every challenge is a new opportunity to learn and grow. Online tutoring is a promising business idea, especially in this digital age. Third on our list is agriculture. It's a venture as old as civilization itself, and yet it remains a solid business idea even today. Why? Because we all need to eat. This basic human need creates a constant demand for fresh produce and agricultural products. Starting an agriculture business has its own set of advantages. You're tapping into an industry that has potential for substantial growth. With the right strategies and sustainable practices, you can cultivate a business that not only feeds people, but also contributes positively to the local economy. However, it's not all sunny skies and bountiful harvests. Agriculture comes with its fair share of challenges. Weather conditions can be unpredictable, and pests can wreak havoc on your crops. These factors require careful planning and sometimes a bit of luck. But even with these challenges, agriculture remains a timeless business idea. It's a sector that's always in season because, let's face it, we all have to eat. Agriculture is a timeless business idea with a constant demand. Next on our list is starting a clothing boutique. Picture this: a cozy, chic space filled with trendy and stylish clothes that are just begging to be worn. Sounds enticing, right? A clothing boutique can be an incredibly rewarding business venture, especially in a developing country where the demand for fashionable apparel is on the rise. The potential for growth is vast. As you establish a strong brand identity and loyal customer base, your boutique could become a go-to destination for fashion enthusiasts. But like any business, it does come with its set of challenges. Competition can be stiff, with many boutiques vying for the same customer base. Additionally, staying on top of ever-changing fashion trends can be a daunting task. However, these challenges can be mitigated with a solid business plan and a keen eye for fashion. Understanding your target market and offering high-quality, stylish clothes that resonate with them is key. With a keen eye for fashion and a solid business plan, a clothing boutique can be a profitable venture. Fifth on our list is a recycling business. This idea is not just about making money, It's about making a difference. By starting a recycling business, you're contributing to the reduction of waste and pollution and helping to conserve our natural resources. The market for recycled materials is growing as more and more companies are making the conscious choice to use recycled materials in their products. So there's a good chance for growth and profitability. But it's not without challenges. You'll have to navigate through waste management regulations, which can be complex and vary from place to place. Competition is another factor to consider, as the recycling industry is becoming increasingly popular. And let's not forget about the initial investment. You'll need to acquire the necessary equipment and facilities to collect, sort, and process recyclable materials. But despite these challenges, a recycling business not only brings in profit, but also contributes to environmental sustainability. Let's continue with the rest of our list. Our sixth business idea is a cleaning service. A cleaning service is a wonderful business proposition in a developing country. With the increasing number of people engaging in jobs that leave them with little or no time to clean their homes or offices, a cleaning service can be a lifeline. The startup cost is relatively low, requiring mostly cleaning supplies and a reliable team. However, it's important to provide top-notch service, as reputation is everything in this industry. On the downside, it might take some time to build a client base, and you'll need to manage your team effectively to ensure consistent service quality. Next up, we have the bakery business. If you have a passion for baking and a knack for sweet treats, then this might be the business for you. A bakery can be started from the comfort of your home, and as you grow, you can consider moving into a larger space. The demand for baked goods is never ending, and with the right marketing, you can attract a steady stream of customers. On the flip side, the bakery business can be quite competitive, and maintaining a consistent quality of products can be challenging. The eighth business idea is a barbershop. Haircuts are a necessity for most people, making a barbershop a viable business opportunity. The initial investment is relatively low, especially if you're skilled in the art of barbering. You can start small, perhaps in a rented space, and then expand as your clientele grows. However, keep in mind that this business requires excellent customer service skills and the ability to keep up with the latest hair trends. The challenge here is maintaining a steady customer flow and managing your business during off-peak times. Penultimately, we have the digital marketing agency. As more businesses move online, the demand for digital marketing services is on the rise. This business requires expertise in various digital marketing strategies and a team that can deliver results. The beauty of this business is that you can operate from anywhere and serve clients globally. However, it requires a deep understanding of the digital world, and staying up to date with the latest trends and algorithms can be quite a task. Finally, our 10th business idea is a car wash service. Cars are a common sight in many developing countries, and they all need to be cleaned. A car wash service doesn't require a huge upfront investment. You'll need a location, some basic equipment, and a team willing to get their hands dirty. The key to success in this business is location, so choose wisely. On the downside, it's a labor-intensive business and can be affected by weather conditions. These are all excellent business ideas to consider, each with their own unique benefits and challenges. And there you have it, 10 businesses you can start for cheap in a developing country. From the mobility and flavor of a food truck business to the digital reach of online tutoring, from the grounding roots of agriculture to the fashion-forward vision of a clothing boutique and the eco-friendly potential in a recycling business. Each of these ideas holds a unique opportunity for growth and success, especially in a developing country where these markets are ripe for exploration. Remember, starting a business doesn't always require a massive investment. Sometimes it's about recognizing a need, finding a creative solution, and having the courage to take that first step. So why not tap into the potential of these affordable business ideas? And if you need more inspiration or advice, we're here to help. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more informative content. Here's to your business success.